In fact, the lineup of the Republic Day Parade always has two exciting displays to herald the last segment of these celebrations. A daring display of balance, concentration and creativity, the motorcycle display, followed by power and precision in the skies, the Indian Air Force fly past. And this year, exhibiting their collective skills through the motorcycle display are highly trained women and men from the CRPF and SSB. The all-women CRPF team will be led by Assistant Commandant Seema Nag, who has been leading this team for the past 12 years, while the SSB team is being led by Assistant Commandant Naveen Kumari. From a solo one-wheel riding maneuver to a high of 42 riders, these teams collaborate to impress and inspire everyone with their diligence, dexterity and daring.
कर्तव्य पथ पर अब मानव मशीन को कैसे कैसे संतुलन कर सकता है, उसके दृश्य देखिए। डेयरडेविल्स टीम, सीआरपीएफ और एसएसबी का संयुक्त प्रदर्शन। अभिवादन सहायक कमांडेंट सीमा नाग और सहायक कमांडेंट नवीन कुमारी।
The salutation going past the saluting base. Absolutely amazing to see the ability of the human being to master the laws of physics, to come together with complete dexterity, precisely co-balanced formations. And this is the one-wheel riding Constable Saji KS of the SSB moves forward with courage and composure. A light breeze catching the flags, but definitely not throwing anybody off balance. Approaching the saluting base, we have the Sarvatra Suraksha formation.
एसएसबी की निरीक्षक शहनाज अपने 18 साथी जवानों के साथ, सीआरपीएफ की कांस्टेबल सीमा पुंडीर अपने 11 जवानों के साथ सर्वत्र सुरक्षा की फॉर्मेशन में। बहादुरी के साथ अगर कुशलता जुड़ जाए तो क्या परिणाम होता है, ये परिणाम होता है। और एक पंक्ति जो हम अक्सर दोहराते हैं ऐसे प्रदर्शनों में कि आप ऐसे प्रदर्शन न करें।
It's very risky, absolutely. And now going past the saluting base, we have the formation Jungle Warrior. Assistant Commandant Rishu Shrikant Palande of the CRPF, along with 11 of his fellow soldiers, demonstrating remarkable target acquisition during an encounter with Naxalites.
वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन डिजिटल इंडिया इंस्पेक्टर ज्योति यादव और कांस्टेबल ताहिर एसएसबी अपने 10 साथी जवानों के साथ और हवलदार सरिता बिष्ट सीआरपीएफ अपने 4 साथी जवानों के साथ इस आधुनिक युग के डिजिटल भारत की नवीन संचार तकनीकों को दर्शाते हुए।
And now approaching the saluting base, the beam roll. Constable Shivalila of the CRPF, along with 9 fellow soldiers, performing the beam roll on a moving bike at Kartavya Path. It is said, and very rightly so, that the most effortless displays of skill and talent are the result of intense effort and showing here.
और अब योग की शक्ति, भारत हमेशा से विश्व योग गुरु रहा है। योग की आवश्यकता को समझाते हुए कांस्टेबल ओम प्रकाश और नमिता एसएसबी अपने 4 साथी जवानों के साथ चलती बुलेट पर सूर्य नमस्कार की विभिन्न मुद्राओं में।
Such balance, such perfection. And now target going past the saluting base. Constable Soni Devi of the CRPF, along with 4 of her fellow soldiers, and Constable Navaprabhat of the SSB, along with his fellow soldier, standing face to face in a moving bike, aiming at the target with courage and fearlessness. and from the target touching the sky.
छूलो आसमान। हवलदार सुनील कुमार एसएसबी और कांस्टेबल नीलम गौरव 18 फीट की ऊंची सीढ़ी पर निडरता के साथ आसमान की ऊंचाइयों को छूने की कोशिश, और इनके साथ कांस्टेबल जितेंद्र एसएसबी अनूठे ढंग से सीढ़ी पर बैक राइडिंग करते हुए।
Many days of arduous practice, all on display here. The crowd absolutely enthralled. And now if you're touching the sky, well, right behind we have Garuda. Havaldar Rajkumar and Havaldar Reddy of the SSB along with 12 of their colleagues marching forward in the Garuda formation, symbolizing fearlessness, courage and soaring high.
गरुड़ के पीछे वायु कांस्टेबल रीना मलिक सीआरपीएफ अपने 6 अन्य साथी जवानों के साथ, और कांस्टेबल शालिना सचेत एसएसबी अपने 6 अन्य साथी जवानों के साथ वातावरण में प्रदूषण को रोकने के लिए ये संदेश जन जन तक पहुंचाती हुई।
And now this formation saying what it means, concentration. Constable Sheikh Kajal of the CRPF along with 11 comrades rolling down Kartavya Path, butterfly formation, patience and concentration.
और अब पावर ऑफ सीएपीएफ एसएसबी के 19 जवान 2 बुलेट पर सवार सीएपीएफ की शक्ति को दर्शाते हुए इसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं उप निरीक्षक कृष्णलाल। ये पिछले 13 वर्षों से एसएसबी के टीम कोच हैं।
And now, living up to their name, Desh Rakshak, 42 CRPF women demonstrating the courage of unity and diversity, performing a stunning pyramid formation here at Kartavya Path, riding, well, believe it or not, just 4 bullets at the same speed. The formation is being led by Assistant Sub-Inspector Joshi Catherine Eka, and the crowd delighted.
42 महिलाएं अनेकता में एकता का संदेश देश रक्षक के।
Our proud men and women performing here on Kartavya Path, and we are proud of them. And now the human gaze, all eyes up to the sky from the direction of Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Indian Air Force fly past will begin.
Time now for the grand finale, a thrilling flying display. This flying display is an outcome of the focused training and professionalism of the air and the ground crew of the Indian Air Force. The first formation onto your television screens, Arjun Formation, named after Marshal of the Air Force Arjun Singh, Distinguished Flying Cross. Formation comprising 1 C-130J Super Hercules aircraft and 2 C-295 aircraft, the latest tactical transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Leading this formation is a C-130J aircraft from the